In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction, 10 divided by 5 over 5 divided by 10. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator, 10 divided by 5 divided by parentheses, denominator, which is 5 divided by 10. Okay? Now we have two parentheses and one division. According to the order of operations, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first this parenthesis and this parenthesis. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And 5 divided by 10, we can write 5 over 10. And now 5 divided by 5 gives us 1 and 10 divided by 5 gives us 2. So we have 2 divided by 1 over 2. Okay, now according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have just 2 times 2, which equals 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The answer is 4.